Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these Boho Chic nails. So here are her nails prepped and ready to go. And the first color we're going to be using is Light Elegance's Mint Chocolat. This one was from a spring collection a couple years ago. This one is like an off-white mint color, super pretty, perfect for spring. And we're going to put this on her pinky, middle finger, and her pointer finger. And you will see me go back and forth between each hand. I do one finger at a time and then flash cure each color. And the next color we're going to be using is Light Elegance's Cinnamon. This one is a super sparkly copper glitter, and it is a full coverage glitter. So we're going to put this on her ring finger and her thumb. And once those are all cured, I do go back and do a second coat of all of the colors. And now getting into the design, we're going to use Madame Glam's Perfect Black. And for the art brush, we will be using the Robin Moses wand brush. So we're going to create a dream catcher. So you're going to start off by creating a half moon outline at the cuticle area. And then once you have that half moon down, you're going to paint 3 lines kind of coming off, so one from the middle and then one from each side. And if your lines are a little bit thick like mine ended up being, just take a brush dipped in acetone and you can go in and kind of carve out and thin out the lines. So now for the feathers, we're going to be using two different colors. The first one is going to be Madame Glam's Coral Flirt. This one is a pretty corally pink color. And so we're going to put that for the feathers on the two outside lines. And you're just going to want to do super fast and thin brush strokes to kind of create that feather effect. And then for the feather in the middle, we're going to use Madame Glam's Light Lilac. This is a pretty light purple color. And now we're going to go in and do the center of the dream catcher. So starting from the center, I'm creating oval shapes, and they're more pointed on the ends, and then I kind of go out to each side. So there's kind of 4 of those oval shapes. Then I'm going to go in and add a little bit of black detailing to the feathers just to give it some dimension. Then we're going to add some little beads to the dream catcher. So I'm going in and I'm using that cinnamon glitter and a dotting tool. I just go in and I create little beads on the dream catcher. So here's what the nails look like with the dream catcher. Super cute, but we did think that the design needed something else, so we decided to add some crystals, of course. So we're going to go in with Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm. This has been my favorite crystal gel. And then for the crystals, we will be using rose gold. So I go in and I just put one on the pointer finger and then one on the pinky finger, just right in the middle at the cuticle area. And now it's time for top coat. So we'll use Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here is how the nails turned out, and I have to say this is probably one of my favorite sets we have ever done on her. They are super sparkly and shiny in real life, and they're so cute, and I feel like this is the perfect time for this design. We're kind of in between winter, but we're not quite to spring weather yet. So these colors kind of combined spring and winter together. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!